What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy. I have a hat on today because my hair is way too long. Okay, so I have a list, as you can see. Day, I think it's 8. Not even sure anymore who's keeping count anymore. Oh, you just saw that, guys. Oh, that's fucked. Oh, and he ran too. Homeboy just left. That sucks. Before I was rudely interrupted, I have a list, as you can see, as you've seen. So let's read that list off to you today that I have to get done. So today it says day 8, back to work. Because yesterday and Tuesday I took off. I went to go to a doctor's appointment on Tuesday, and then yesterday we went to do, what did I do? Taylor was off, so we went to hang out. But it says day 8, back to work. Start on front fenders because I haven't gotten to that yet. Finish final sand for clear. So I have to find any more clear spots that might be still there and scuff it. Clean wheel wells. So I'm gonna clean and scuff my wheel wells. And I'm gonna spray rock guard on the wheel wells also, and then I'm gonna fix the body line on the passenger side. Hopefully, I'm gonna try. Sorry, my dog keeps barking. But I'm also gonna cut this part. So here, as you can see, it's been rubbing my wheel before, and I'm gonna try to run the same spec wheel as before. So those were in the front, they were 15 by 9 halves. So I'm gonna try to run those also again, but they were rubbing, so I'm gonna try to cut these and then smash them in. That way I can have maximum clearance. And then yeah, I'm gonna clean up in here, degrease, scrub it up, and then pressure wash, and then it should be ready for the rock guard. Then we can paint, because the bay's pretty done already. I just have to etch, spray some etching, and then spray some primer, and yeah, good to go. Lots of progress done, but still a long way to go. hitting it with the simple green. I'm gonna hit it with a wire brush real quick. Kind of rub it. I'll hit you guys with the results. Can't be doing this one-handed. Just finished up cleaning the wells as much as I could. It's all stained, but this side is all right. Could be better. We're just gonna put some rock chip guard on it and then paint the color with the bay. Also did this side. This side came out way nicer. That side had a lot of oil on it. I'm not too sure why. There was the power steering line on that side and a lot of stuff that can gunk it up. But yeah, this side came out really nice. Had to you know, block the wagon. Don't want to ruin the paint or get it wet at all. Water spots suck. So what's next on the list? So clean wheel wells, spray rock garden wheel wells. Okay, so we did this. What about we start on the front fenders, because that is going to be a little beach. So we'll start on that now. So these are the fenders. They are absolutely fucked. So I have to try to salvage these because these are my only fenders. I don't know where I should start. I do eventually want to cut these right over here because I want to put my flare on, but I'm gonna have to cut it maybe a little bit shorter. That way I could put the flare over. But right now I can just work on all this stuff, trying to get this all good to go. Get all this crazy paint off and stuff like that. But literally I'm just going to work on here, 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 all this, not this. But yeah, I still have this weird body line that I have to figure out. Yeah, let's get to it. What a complete tragedy this is. This is an 18-year-old trying to fit 9/2 in the front. Crazy. Look at all the bondo. There's sticks of bondo. Thick chunks. Jesus. Horrible. Gonna keep sanding. Gonna keep sanding the rest of this off. Hopefully it comes off nicely and then we're good to go. Better do it the right way than keep it like that and it'd be ass. And me knowing that it's like that. Because I'm much older now and I know. I have like a little bit more pride in what I'm putting out there. Well, yeah. Good. We have to go run an errand real quick, but this is what I got done so far with this fender. So I got it down to kind of bare metal. I still got a lot of sanding away. I'm just gonna grind this off. Or actually this is all getting cut off. So I'm gonna cut all this off right here because I have another flare coming in. It goes there. All the holes line up. And it's supposed to be, this is not the right side obviously, but the new flares are gonna go down to here. Down to here. And the rest of it, it's pretty good. Look who's here. My uncle over there? Oh, huh? From who? Oh, stop harassing him. Didn't vlog it, but Gerald came over. We dropped his front a little bit, and the back we dropped earlier this week. Oh, he has a block in the back. I'll get it. Looking good. Huh?
I can't see out my back window.
Oh yeah. There's a car coming. He's flying it. Well, you're slammed now. Okay, good.
No, you can see the road now, Gerald. I think low on the front, you can see the road now, eh? Before the visa, now you can see it.
Okay, shoot.
Next time on Garage Culture.